How to schedule grocery delivery with Instacart. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, we can go over to instacart.com. This is the following site and make sure you are logged in into your account. Or if not, you can just go with create an account at the moment. Now, you can add up a delivery address first and you can just go and choose up a store near you. Or if you want to look out for the items, you can just go and browse it or look out for the grocery option in the left hand side and click on it. After that, you can just go over and select the grocery products that you would like to add or buy. For example, these, you can just go and add it to your cart. Once it is added, you can open up your cart in the top right corner. We can find it. And once we click on it, we can click on continue shopping and head over to the next page. Now here, once the next page opens up, again, open up your cart. And once you open up your cart, this is what you will be finding. Now, if you want to schedule it, we have this option of delivery by certain time. So we can just go over and look out for this option. And if you want to basically schedule it more, if you want to add minute to checkout, we have this option of $10 that we can click on. Or here in this checkout page here in the top, we should be finding an option for deliver that we can click on. But first of all, we need to enter up our address. So go ahead and add up your address. Once it is done, you just need to choose up a estimated delivery time and slot and add up a payment method and tip if you would like and just go over and place up an order and you should be done. And that is it. You just need to follow out this method. If you want to schedule out your order, you can do it right before you check out. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.